Data cleaning is time-consuming and complex. This video deals with just one important aspect: deduplication. Duplicates are records that reference the same information that escape the net because they aren't identical. As a starting point, access which items you would normally have available within your data. Then you can choose from the different methodology available. The first step is basic sorting. However, you must be aware that if the information has been added to different fields, this will not bring those records together. Records will also not be sorted together if they have different information, misspellings or typos. Phonetic or soundex matching is useful when using limited amounts of data, as it generally creates a 4-character key for each word to match against. However, at the same time, Robert and Rupert are the same when using a soundex routine. Therefore, this system cannot be fully relied upon. Elemental matching looks at elements such as postcode and premise, but it will not work if there is a typo or if fields are in the wrong place. Therefore, with postcodes, a simple typo can change everything. Hopeweiser uses all of these methods, but adds a fourth layer, Keysbased matching. It identifies required elements and how to process them in full or reduced forms. Our keys-based matching system takes strengths from each method, using defined keys to find duplicates and reduce the amount of comparable data. This then allows for bringing everyone together at a single address for a mailing, or at an individual level if you want to create a single customer view. When locating duplicates in a keys-based system, the process can be altered depending on the data and the desired outcome. Read our white paper or just ask Hopeweiser to help you work out the right path. Hopeweiser, just ask.